Hello, my name is Gary Wagman, and I am a practitioner of Sasang Medicine, and this is a video in a series of videos that I would like to introduce you to Sasang Medicine with. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 basic foods: ginger, calcium, chestnuts, and kiwi. Each one of these foods in their own right is very beneficial to our health. But each one of these foods correlate with different body types, and we're going to talk a little bit about that today. At first, I'd like to talk about the benefits of each one of these foods. Ginger, we can start with, has 2 flavonoids inside, shogols and gingerols. Shogols are constituents of ginger, dried ginger, that assist with the metabolism, help with diabetes, and break down adipose tissue. In the raw ginger, there's another flavonoid called gingerol. And gingerol is very good for helping with common colds. We use ginger quite a bit for digestion in the dry form, but we also use ginger for common colds in Sasang medicine in the fresh form. Calcium comes in several different forms. If you would like to supplement with calcium, there's calcium carbonate and calcium citrate, also coral calcium and a few others. Calcium carbonate is the highest concentration of calcium. It contains about 40% calcium. Calcium citrate has only 20% calcium. Calcium, of course, as you probably know, is great for the bones, but it also assists with digestion, especially stomach acid. Chestnuts. Chestnuts are actually the only nut that have vitamin C. They also are filled with phytonutrients and can also help the digestive system, especially in cases of diarrhea. Kiwi. Kiwi is filled with vitamin C, especially the peel. It also the seeds inside kiwi have omega-3 fatty acids, and very good for the liver. Kiwi is also good for the digestive system and assists with digestion and the digestive function. So we can say that all of these foods are really, really good for your health, but in actuality they're only good for the body types that they correlate with. So why are these foods good for some and not for others? It depends on their nature. In Sasang medicine we refer to 4 major natures of food. The first one is warm nature, second is hot, the third is cool, and the fourth is cold. So each food that we eat can be separated into 4 natures. Let's take a look at the nature of each one of these foods. Ginger is hot. Calcium is cold. Chestnuts are warm. And kiwi is cool. So depending on their nature, they're going to go to different parts of our body. Hot-natured foods go to the spleen. Cold-natured foods go to the kidney. Warm-natured foods go to the lungs. And cool-natured foods go to the liver. These 4 organs are called the major organs in Sasang medicine. They control the area that they're located in. For example, the liver controls the small intestine, as well as all the functioning in this part of the body, what we call the mid-lower jiao. The kidneys control the bladder and the large intestine, and control everything in the lower part of our abdomen, also called the lower jiao. The spleen controls the stomach as well, and it's located in the mid-upper jiao. So this whole area it covers and it controls. And then finally, the lungs are located in the upper jiao, and also control the function of the esophagus and the thoracic cavity. So these are the 4 major organs, and each one of us, depending on our body type, will have stronger and weaker organs, or organs that tend to function excessively, and organs that tend to function deficiently. So we're going to talk about that. So these are the 4 major body types: Yang type A, Yang type B, Yin type A, and Yin type B. Notice how each of the 4 body types are separated by Yin and Yang. The Yang type A is also called So-yang in Korean. It means lesser yang. And this body type has a stronger spleen. And a weaker kidney. Stronger, weaker. The Yang type B has a stronger lung and a weaker liver. The Yin type A has a stronger liver and a weaker lung. And the Yin type B has a stronger kidney and a weaker spleen. These are the stronger organs, and these are the weaker organs. And so, as we talked about before, depending on the nature of the food, it will go to a different part of the body.